you're experiencing connection errors in Minecraft, particularly Error 2026, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow these steps to get back to playing smoothly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. You can do this by testing other websites or online services. If your internet is down, restart your router or contact your internet service provider. Step 2. Restart Minecraft. Sometimes simply restarting the game can resolve connection issues. Close Minecraft completely and then reopen it to see if the error persists. Step 3. Update Minecraft. Make sure you are using the latest version of Minecraft. Check for updates in the launcher and install any available updates. Running an outdated version can lead to connection problems. Step 4. Check server status. Verify if the Minecraft server you are trying to connect to is online. You can check the server status on its official website or through community forums. If the server is down, you will need to wait until it is back online. Step 5. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes your firewall or antivirus software may block Minecraft from connecting to the internet. Check your firewall settings and ensure that Minecraft is allowed through. You may need to add it as an exception in your antivirus program as well. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the connection error and enjoy your Minecraft experience without interruptions. If the problem persists, consider seeking help from Minecraft support or community forums for further assistance.